What stocks to buy and sell. Good day, all stock market traders and investors. This is Total Investor, and on this YouTube investment channel, what we do is that we review chart patterns on stocks and commodities. So we use technical analysis. Okay. Today I will be bringing to you about 6 or 7 stocks that warrant some attention. Okay, primarily. If you are bullish and looking to take a long position, or if you just want to learn about technical analysis, this is where you should be. Okay. Disclaimer: everything I say should be thought of as educational. Okay, it should be thought of as just for educational purposes, and should not be as or thought of as financial advice. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this particular channel, please do so, and YouTube will notify you whenever a new video is posted. Okay, so let's start off with the very first one here. That is Arista Networks, ANET. This one is pretty much straightforward, as all the other ones are as well. We're basically caught in an upward channel on this 6-month graph, which is very easy to trade and invest in to make money. If you don't, you're definitely doing something wrong. Okay, so basically just taking the top, this high, going all the way up to that high, and a parallel line down below that links up all the bottoms of this particular trend, upward trend. Okay, so all you would do is just whenever it hits the bottom here, or it gets close to that, meaning that it's pulled back in a bull market, you would buy it, and as it gets closer to the upward channel, you either hold on to it for the long term, or if you're trading, you would sell it. Okay, but you would never go short. Okay, so obviously down here would be a buy, down here would have been a buy, down here would have been a buy, and each of those times would have made money. Okay, now obviously we're up here right now. This is not a great time to be buying, even though we are in an uptrend. Although I guess if you could hold on to it longer term, it could still work out for you, but this is not the right place for it. You'd wait for a pullback. Hopefully it does not break the downtrend line as the chart is extended over time, and then you would be getting in at the lower levels. Okay, so this again, pretty straightforward. It should go on your watch list. And keep on watching it, extend the graph. So maybe in a month, you might get another opportunity here. Okay, so ANET is a symbol. Next, Americold Realty Trust, COLD. This has obviously been hit because of interest rates rising. We got a little bit of relief here temporarily, at least temporarily, hopefully longer than that. As you can see, we've got lower lows in the stock. But up here on the RSI, we've got higher lows. So that's given us a bullish divergence, telling us that there's a strong case for the trend ending and ending soon. And it looks like that's what we've got going on right now. We've got a little bit of a up move, partially due to interest rates settling down, bonds moving higher. The stock is now above the 10-day moving average. And again, the RSI is trending higher. We just broke above the 50. So maybe this has an opportunity here to move higher in the short term and hopefully intermediate term as well. COLD. Next, Campbell Soup Company, CPB. This one has really been hit hard over the last couple of years. It's a big, solid company that has just been hit hard in terms of the stock price. But I think that if you look at it, say 3, 4, 5 years out, you see that this thing has really been oversold. And this is here a 6-month chart. And what I'm showing here is that we finally broke the downtrend here over the past couple of days. The stock is above the 10-day and the 50-day moving average. They've leveled out. And I think it's just a matter of time before we start moving higher. The RSI is above 50. We're at 56. So I think that given the chance, if you're patient And if you don't like risky plays or trades, this could be something for you if you're looking long-term as an investment. Okay, so CPB is the symbol for Campbell Soup. U.S. medical devices. This is an ETF, IHI. I've got a downtrend line from the highs, 58, all the way down. We broke it early November, okay, moving sideways, and now we've got and hit resistance. It was originally support, hit resistance before, now we're hitting it again. Right today it hit it, so I think that we've got a very good chance of moving higher. The stock is above the 10-day and the 50-day, which are just about to cross. That's bullish. And we've got the RSI above 50. We're at 63. So everything is looking very constructive for this particular stock to move higher. Okay, IHI is a symbol. Next one, INSMED, INSM. I've got here, this again is a 6-month chart. Strong resistance here at $23. It finally broke through as the stock topped out in mid-September, drifted lower, corrected, and finally hit that same level that was previously resistance, then became support. So now all it has to do is maintain the support level, break this downtrend line, which may or may not happen tomorrow or soon, but there's a chance that it can. Just wait until it happens before it becomes an actual buy. Could it happen? Well, why not? We've got the RSI that broke its downtrend line. We are just slightly below the 50. Watch that as an indicator to give you some indication as to whether or not the stock is going to move higher. So as it is right now, it is not a buy, technically speaking. It's just a wait and see. So just put this on the watch list, INSM. Next, Medtronic, MDT. Strong. It had support here at around 74. Once it broke, it became resistance. 74, 74 up here. Touched it again yesterday. Today, we finally broke through that level of resistance. And what else do we got? Well, we've got from the top here back in late July, we've got a downtrend line, and right on the close, that's where we are with that trend line. So maybe we might break it tomorrow. We'll see. We are above the 10-day moving average. We're just inches away from the 50-day moving average. So everything is looking very promising here. The RSI broke its downtrend line, and we are above 50. We're at 58. Okay, so this one has a very good chance of moving higher. Again, always is the same disclaimer that the general market also has to perform. Okay, MDT is a symbol, and I believe this is the last one. WP Carey and Company, WPC is a symbol. Strong support and resistance at 56, give or take. Originally support and broke below that. Resistance, resistance again, resistance again. Finally, yesterday it broke. Today it was confirmation. We've got it trading above the 10-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. So that is very bullish. Plus, it also broke the downtrend line just 2 days ago. So everything looks good there. RSI sloping upwards above the 50. We're at 61. So this, technically speaking, is a buy. WPC. And that was the last stock. So again, always with the disclaimer, everything I say or said should be thought of as for educational purposes. So you are learning something about what to look for in terms of stocks that could offer a good trading opportunity here to make some good money, whether short term or long term. If you're still interested in learning more, watching, looking for more opportunities out there, please subscribe if you have not already done so. Big thumbs up, and also any comments. I'd love to hear what you've got to say. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Take care.